This is what my typical day looks like, moving between my laptop and desktop for hours at a stretch. And if you spend long hours in front of screens like I do, then what comes next might really help you. Be honest, reducing screen time is not easy. We can't stop using computers. It's part of our life, our work, and our routine. So I built 320, an app based on the 320 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This helps us to protect our eyes efficiently. Yes, there are many reminder apps, but most of them are just basic notifications. They can be ignored easily. My goal wasn't just another reminder. I wanted a system that actually makes you take the break, not just reminds you. So I added a real-time camera tracking system using OpenCV integrated in Python, including face detection, eye detection, and direction tracking. This is the interface of 320. Once the 20-minute timer starts, you just continue your work normally. And when the break time comes, the app forces itself onto your screen. No minimizing, no switching. You must acknowledge the break. There's also a beep alert that continues until you stop it. After stopping the alarm, a 20-second eye break begins. During this time, the app tracks your eyes. If you peek at the screen, the timer restarts. It even shows eye direction details, so cheating doesn't work here. To keep your mind relaxed, nature sounds will be played during the break, like forest, rain, and waves will be cycled automatically. And you can even upload your own alarm sounds with a simple file picker. And once the 20 seconds are done, you can choose to continue working or stop for the day. And the full source code is available on my GitHub profile. Link is in the description. Thank you.